As you can see behind me, the Raptor engines are being integrated. This design allows us to achieve unparalleled thrust, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Check the tolerances on section gamma.
Already logged it, we're within the parameters.
We have stabilization ready for the next phase.
Confirmed. The trajectory looks perfect. Laser alignment on section 4 is stable. We can proceed.
Confirmed. Initiating final docking sequence now. Scan pass looks good on sector 4.
Confirmed. Data logged and within tolerance.
The scan data shows a slight anomaly right here on the z-axis.
I see it. It aligns with the stress modeling. Let's flag it.
Alignment looks good, torque levels nominal.
Confirmed. Proceed with the next sequence.
Crane, hold position at Mark 7. We have alignment confirmation.
Roger that. Holding steady. Good work, team.
Steady lowering. Watch the alignment.
Copy that. Clear on the left side.
Engaging platform locks now. We are clear for final approach. 2 inches to contact.
Roger. Maintaining visual. Looks good.
The thermal readings on Sector 4 are slightly elevated.
It's within tolerance. Monitor the coolant flow.
The structural integrity looks good, but keep an eye on the temperature readings right here.
crane, adjust trajectory slightly left. We are nearing the connection point. Power down confirmed.
Roger that. Holding tension.
Lowering sequence engaged. Speed steady.
Copy. Maintaining visual on port side alignment. We are clear for final approach. Approaching final alignment, confirming clearance on all sides.
Platform 2 clear.
Platform 3 clear. Roger that. Initiating final descent.
Okay, bringing it down slow. Check the alignment pins.
Pins are clear. Looks good.
Hold steady, we're home.
Data stream indicates perfect stabilization. Proceeding with the final docking maneuver.
Verify pressure on screen 4.
Reading stable.
Docking secure.
Lowering sequence initiated. Hold point 3 at 5 meters.
Confirming hold point 3, 5 meters. Stable.
Looks aligned. Data confirmed?
Confirmed. Green across the board.
Excellent work, team. We did it.
Hold it right there. We are clear on the starboard side.
Copy. Holding position.
Alignment is good. Lock it down.
Lowering sequence initiated. We are clear for descent.
Confirmed. Steady as she goes.
Approaching the interface, maintain slow descent.
Bring it down 10 centimeters. Easy now.
Set. Good contact. Alignment is good.
Copy that. Proceeding with docking sequence.
Board is seated. Go ahead and secure it.
Torque is good. Verify continuity on C7.
The telemetry on the guidance system is fluctuating.
I see it. Rerouting to auxiliary control.
Advise status green.
Apply consistent pressure with the roller.
Ensuring full adhesion before we proceed.
Apply torque now.
Reading confirmed. Moving to the next bolt.
Alignment check complete. Go ahead and secure the first sequence.
Roger that. Engaging torque wrench now.
Telemetry looks stable on the liquid oxygen pumps.
Confirmed. We are reading full thrust optimization.
We are clear on the starboard side, 2 inches left.
Copy. 2 inches left. Lowering slowly.
Check the reading right here. Tolerance is tight.
I see it. It's within the acceptable margin, but I'll flag it for review.
All systems report nominal status. We are green across the board.
Confirmed. Trajectory metrics are stable.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the next sequence.
Scratch indication at R4, sector gamma. Logging as minor anomaly, level 2.
Check the alignment right here on section gamma 12.
Logging a minor irregularity now.
Confirmed, looks within tolerance, but worth noting.
We have a pressure spike at T+4.
Highlighting the data now, cross-referencing with the thermal imaging.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current velocity. The airflow simulation shows significant turbulence here.
Yes, the drag coefficient is fluctuating more than expected. Log that observation.
The flight trajectory is grazing the upper limit. We need confirmation on the window.
Guidance confirms we are secure for the moment. Keep monitoring thrust.
The thermal fluctuations are stabilizing right here at the injector.
Confirmed. We are showing optimal performance across the board.
Telemetry readings on the starboard thrusters are fluctuating near the limit.
I see it. Rerouting power now, we are still green for launch.
Make sure that strap is flush with the seam.
Copy that. Adjusting now.
Clear on the left. Copy that. Moving slowly. Keep the gantry steady. Keep it steady. Watching the load cells now. Clear on this side. Approaching the turn point. We have clearance at waypoint Charlie. Roger that. Proceeding slowly. Maintain current vector. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the gantry supports.
Copy that. Vehicle advancing smoothly.
Guidance, confirm alignment. We are centered. Okay, take it down another meter, slow and steady.